About two Turkish Angoras and one Forest Cat male. The white boy over here is really nice. He's in super condition. He has wonderful ears. He has super clean coat. Black smoke male here is also very shy with wonderful black smoke color. Good condition for the show. Nice ears, good placement, good size. He has compared to Angora's that the showroom is a little bit bigger ears. He's also nice in look and high chest. Then we have a Forest Cat boy, which is a lovely boy, very nice big male with wonderful frames, beautiful, strong, long legs, wonderful coat, correct coat quality, well, nice Forest Cat guy. Between the boys, my order today is Black Smoke is my number 3. Those two are both really nice. I would easily take each of them. Any hesitation? I place my Angora today as my second best, and I give my nomination for Forest Cat.
Grattis som honor.